What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. It's yours truly, KJ. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. Tonight, y'all, want to go ahead and bring you guys like an update on the portfolio. I know it's been like a day or two since I put out a video, so it's about that time. Right now, we're sitting in the investing account $60,323.70. If you remember, the market was closed on Thursday night for late President Jimmy Carter passing away, and so they had the market closed on Thursday evening, basically from Wednesday evening through Thursday evening through Friday. That's what it was, from Thursday to Friday. Today the market was actually open, and it looked like a lot of sell-off was going on. As a matter of fact, it was a lot of sell-off going on in the market today, and that's typically how Fridays go. Just in case you guys haven't ever noticed, I'm gonna put you on game. On Fridays, look for the market to sell off, especially in big tech and companies that I hold, because people seem to like to take profits on Friday. Buying power was sitting at $342.06. We got interest earned, not much, but 342.06. The crypto market right now is trying to get back to where it was before, even though the market is now officially closed for the weekend. But still, Bitcoin is sitting at 94,126. It's continuously moving. I got a negative $3.89 in that position, but it's okay because it's going to bounce back. Ethereum, same way, $3,239. I'm up $2.90 in that position. It's all good. I still got some Avalanche and some USDC coin. Get on to the bread and butter, the stock market, stocks and ETFs. Let's just see how some of our core positions are doing. We got SPLG, that's my S&P 500, sitting at $68.24. Major sell-off today. We in the red. Major sell-off. I have a 208.57 shares of SPLG. Market value is $14,232.87. Average cost is $63.59. We're negative today, $227, but we're up overall $970.32, or a 7.32% increase. Guys, like I said, don't be fearful when you see the red. As a matter of fact, I'm going to tell you again, like I always tell you in every episode, wealth is built in the red and wealth is collected in the green. But you build the wealth while you're in the red. So right now, SPLG being at $68.24 is actually on sale. That's actually a bargain. So don't be upset or fearful, but be in a position yourself to be buying more shares. That's exactly what I'm doing. If you want to know my strategy, I'm telling you my strategy in my YouTube videos. That's exactly what I'm doing, buying more SPLG and this next stock. LTEC, oh wow, it's down. That's my Fidelity Information Technology Index ETF. It's down to $182.50 on sale. I got 8.009 shares of FTEC. Market value is $1,461.74. Average cost is $166.56. And down today, $31.64, or 2.12%. But I'm up overall $127, or 9.57%. So we're still up over 9% in the position. Anything over 8%, guys, we're getting rich. Don't forget that. And this is no different. We're going to continue to grow this position out into the long term. I'm very optimistic in the stock market. A very long-term outlook on it. So LTEC, like I said, is 2025, and we've already been investing heavily into this particular ETF. This is our growth ETF. I'm going to continue to invest in this position heftily this year. Just a couple of more, guys, before I wrap it up. Like I said, it's a late night right now, and we just want to look at some of our core positions. Next up, we got Walmart, individual stock, $92.90. It's up today just a little bit, 1.27%. Down in the aftermarket, had a little bit of sell-off. I got 110 shares of Walmart. Market value is $10,260.43. Average cost is $57.75. I'm up in the position today, $121.49. And overall, I'm up $3,882.46, or a 60.87% increase. Woo! Yeah, Walmart has been killing it. It crushed it in 2024. Looks like it's continuing to do what it's going to do in 2025. We're going to continue to buy and hold Walmart. We're DCAing in this position. I've been DCAing in Walmart without touching the profits for like the last 2.5, 3 years. I always used to DCA in Walmart for the last 8 years, but I've always took profits and everything like that. But once I realized that Walmart could actually be a long-term play, I started DCAing into this position and leaving the profits alone. That's why I'm up over 60% in this position. Walmart's one of those stocks that's going to help me reach financial freedom, by the way. Next thing I want to look at, one more, is our SCHD. SCHD is the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, and it is on sale. It's down in the red right now. I got 237.88 shares of SCHD. Market value is $6,427.74. Average cost is $26.30. Right now, today, we lost $71.37. Overall, we're up $171.42, or 2.74%. You can tell it's the beginning of the year. You can tell there's a lot of sell-off going on. That's what happened last year in early 2024 when we ended 2023 in the stock market. Early January, early 2024, there was a lot of sell-off. There was a lot of people collecting profits and things like that, and I can't really blame them for that. As a matter of fact, when the market take a bounce and get back to normal, I may take some profits on some stocks. I'm kind of considering it, but for the most part, guys, I'm long term with my positions. I'm long term in the portfolio. You already know that the goal to this channel is financial freedom, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride every step of the way. In the traditional IRA account, we're down, but we're sitting at $43,072.92. We lost 932 cents today in the open market. When the market closed, we lost another $46 in the closed market. It's all good, though. Buying power is $3,954.32. You might be saying, well, KJ, what you been doing with the buying power? Guys, I've been investing that money to put it to work. I still got my 150 shares of NVDA. I'm not going to get rid of that. That's going to continue to build and grow. NVIDIA is down right now to $135.61. But as you can see, we lost $675 today. But overall, we're still up in the position, $3,844.16. I'm going to tell you, NVIDIA just last week was over $6,000 in profit. And I'm telling you, before this market even fell, before the Fed announced that they're going to slow down the interest rate cuts, I should have took some profits. But NVIDIA is one of my long-term positions, and all I would have did was take profits and then kind of reinvest it back into the position to get my share sizes back up to 150 shares. That's the whole thing. I've attached my portfolio to a company like NVIDIA. This is like a once in a century or once in a lifetime type of company with the massive gains. Look at what I'm talking about. You can't really do year to date right now because the year to date is so small because the year just started back over. But look at the 1 year. The 1 year is 152.93% increase over the past year. What other company is growing this exponentially? It's some out there. I'm not saying it's not, but I'm saying if you can find one, get your hands on something that's a leader in their sector, something that's going to be the future, like AI, you might want to put your hands on it. And that's what NVIDIA is, and that's what I did with them. Put my hands on them. We also got some Palantir in the portfolio. PEP is PepsiCo. Guys, I got a new position in that. Got 100 shares of Luminar Technologies. I'm still holding on to that. Right now, we're at $7.46. To be honest, I really feel like buying another 100 shares since it's this low. Right now, we're taking a loss of $143.99 in that position. But don't worry. In the aftermarket, I can tell it's already been getting bought. And so we definitely should be taking full advantage of the red. MicroStrategy, guys, $328 right now. Got 10 shares still. Market value is $3,284.10. Just started off as a short, but now it's kind of going into a long position for me. Average cost is $297.14. We're up total return $312.70, or a 10.52% increase. MicroStrategy is another one of those stocks in the aftermarket has been getting bought. So we're getting a lot of tech stocks, guys, getting us to where we need to be. Right now, the count looking at 103,396.69. We reached earlier this week, we reached all the way up to 108,000 in this portfolio. So I know it's coming back. I know we got what it takes to get that back, and we will. Also, we got another $8,700 in the Fidelity investing account, also growing over that way. And so, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of KJD Investor. This is just a portfolio update. I hope you guys seen some things that you liked and can take note of. If you got any kind of comments, questions, concerns, drop them down in the comment box below. Tell me how you feel about some of these positions. Oh, I also forgot to mention about my Serve Robotics. That's been doing pretty good. But go back and rewind the positions that you've seen, the MicroStrategies and positions in Walmart and positions in Serve Robotics and positions, the different positions that you guys saw. And tell me what you think about them. Should I continue to hold on to them? Should it continue to be long term? Should it be short term? Also, my position in DGRO, I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with that. It's a growth and dividend paying ETF. It's a hybrid, but DGRO is pretty good for my portfolio. Continuing to invest in LTEC, SPLG, CHDD, and some of the other positions in the portfolio. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Peace.